Hey ladies, if humidity is the enemy of your natural hair, then you are definitely going to want to see this. Today I'm putting the Doux Blockstar Anti-Humidity Mousse to the test on my fine, natural hair. Hey pearls, I'm doing a late night wash day session and I wasn't going to record this because I was just kind of throwing in some twists to do a twist out. And at the last minute, I said, well, wait a minute, let me capture this moment because it just might benefit someone out there with medium density fine hair, just like I have. So I was originally going to do some mini twists, and my mini twists aren't that mini because mini is in mini, skinny, because I've got fine hair and you know, it's just tricky. I don't want them to look super skinny. The last time I did mini twists, I used a mousse, and what I found is that they kind of plumped up, kind of beefed up my twist, and it came out okay. So I decided I'm not going to do the mini twist. It's going to take me a while. I don't want to be all up all evening and late at night doing these. So I've just got regular two-strand twists that are a little bit smaller than what I normally do. And I've done all my hair except for this one section. So trust me, like I said, I didn't intend on even doing this video, but the product I'm using for this twist out is from the Block Party collection by the Doux, and it's the Blockstar Anti-Humidity Foaming Mousse, or Anti-Humidity Mousse. I used this for a wash and go a few weeks ago, and my results were really good. So no doubt I'm anticipating I'll get equally beautiful results on this twist out. And I miss my twist outs, y'all. And now that I have this foam in my hand, this mousse in my hand, the itch might be back. So the product is really smooth, and not only is it anti-humidity, but it claims to not give you frizz, you know, to eliminate frizz. It claims that it will give you definition and shine. So all the things that make for a lovely twist out. And the bottle does say to apply the product liberally, so it looks like I'm putting on a lot, but I guarantee you in just a minute or so, my hair will have soaked it all up, and that's what I like to see. So of course, what I'll do is get my hair dry and see how the impromptu two-strand twists with this mousse behaves on my hair. So look at the shine, and this is before the hair dryer. My hair is still damp. I have a little bit, just a little bit of tackiness on my fingertips from the product. I don't think I felt that when I used it on the wash and go. But that's okay. It's not bad at all, and product application was great. I'm looking so forward to the definition in my hair. I just can't even tell you enough. And I think I did my parting pretty neat, so this may come out even better than I'm hoping. Pearls, my hair dried in 30 minutes, even the ends of my hair. I'm ecstatic. But look at these dry twists. They are so juicy, and this is giving me mini twist vibe. I can see myself rocking some mini twists, so now I have the itch. It's just making the time to put them in. But look at the shine on these. I think this is going to be an amazing twist out on my fine hair. So I'm going to secure these twists tonight and take them out in the morning. Hey pearls, I am taking these twists out. They feel really good, nice and soft. And the takedown is really easy. And what I did last night, I just pulled them. Actually, I put one half in a big scrunchie behind my ear and the other half in a big scrunchie behind my ear and just put the bonnet on. It worked out good. Normally when I pineapple my hair, and take it down in the morning, my hair isn't straight like this. It ends up kind of getting scrunched up. So I think I like this method. So I'll go ahead and finish taking these down and enjoy my day in this hair and come back in a little while. Ladies, what you're about to see is my 5-day hair using the Anti-Humidity Mousse. I have enjoyed this week in my hair so much. I'm gonna restyle it the same exact way using the Anti-Humidity Mousse by the Doux. I could not have asked for a better twist out. This is great. My scalp is itchy now, so it's time to shampoo, but here we go. The shine has held up all week. As you can see, the definition has held up all week. I have a little frizz. Well, I should say my hair has gotten fluffy. I won't call it frizz, but my hair has gotten fluffy. And I love it because it was so defined and so, my hair appeared to be so elongated when I first styled, and 5 days later, this is what we have. It is absolutely great. And I've been preserving it at night, just like what you saw. I never knew it would work. I thought my hair was gonna be flat in the mornings. I just did 2 ponytails, split my hair down. I didn't even split it down the middle, but I separated it and just put the jumbo scrunchies on, and my hair has held up. Haven't done a thing to it. I did oil my scalp with the Camille Rose cocoa nibs and honey, but that's it. Take it down in the morning and I am good to go. So I think this is going to be a staple in especially my flat twist out routine, or my twist out routine, because the mousse has given me everything I wanted. Not having to do anything to my hair. I mean, all right, pearls, now I want to hear from you. Have you used the Blockstar Anti-Humidity Mousse? If you have, please let me know. And did your hair hold up to the humidity when you used it? And I'd love to hear how it works on different hairstyles and different patterns, hair textures. So let me know in the comments if you've used this and how you liked it, or if you plan to try it just based on my review of the product today. And if you like seeing product reviews on fine natural hair, wash and goes, twist outs, let me know in the comments and we can keep this thing going. I appreciate you for staying to the end. Until next time, keep it naturally corporate.